Welcome back to GT Auto, the 2025 GMC Acadia, a vehicle that blends rugged capability with family-friendly features, giving you a lot of versatility in one package. GMC has made some significant updates to this year's model. The 2025 GMC Acadia presents a bold and modern look. The front grille is wider and more aggressive, featuring a larger, squared-off design that gives it a more commanding presence on the road. LED headlights are sleek and sharp, flanking the grille to enhance the vehicle's overall modern appeal. When it comes to performance, the 2025 GMC Acadia offers two engine options, giving buyers some flexibility depending on their preferences. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 193 horsepower and 188 lb-ft of torque. Inside, the 2025 Acadia continues to impress with its cabin design. GMC has used a combination of high-quality materials throughout the interior, ensuring the Acadia doesn't feel too plasticky like some other vehicles in this set. Starting with the exterior, the front bumper has been redesigned with a sportier, more sculpted appearance, making the Acadia look less like a traditional family hauler and more like a performance-oriented SUV. You can opt for a variety of new wheel designs with sizes ranging from 18 to 20 inches depending on the trim you choose, which further emphasizes the vehicle's premium look. The 2025 Acadia's size remains pretty consistent with previous models, offering a comfortable and spacious three-rows setup. The dashboard is neatly laid out, with a large, intuitive touchscreen sitting front and center. The infotainment system comes with a 12-inch touchscreen as standard, featuring GMC's updated software that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Seating in the 2025 Acadia is very comfortable, with plenty of space across the three rows. However, for those seeking more performance, there's an available 3.6-liter V6 engine that cranks out 310 horsepower and 271 lb-ft of torque. This engine offers much better acceleration and towing capability, making it ideal for those who need to tow heavier loads or enjoy a more spirited driving experience. The 2025 Acadia comes with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, depending on the trim level. As for pricing, the 2025 GMC Acadia starts around $35,000 for the base SLE trim. If you move up to the higher trims, like the SLT or AT4, you're looking at prices closer to $40,000 to $45,000. For the Denali trim, which is the top-of-the-line model, the price can climb up to around $50,000. In conclusion, the 2025 GMC Acadia is an impressive offering in the mid-size SUV market. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.